Today we're making a Grappa Mule from Italy. It serves one person and takes about 5 minutes. Crisp lime, bold grappa in spicy ginger beer, gently stirred in a copper mug. Let's build it right at the bar. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 2 ounces grappa. This is the bold Italian base of our mule. 0.75 ounces fresh lime juice for bright acidity. Half an ounce simple syrup balances the lime. 4 ounces chilled ginger beer brings the spice and fizz. 8 ice cubes to chill and dilute just right. 1 mint sprig adds fresh aroma on the nose. 1 lime wheel. A clean, classic garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Fill a copper mug with 8 ice cubes to chill it. Measure 2 ounces of grappa in a jigger. Pour the 2 ounces of grappa over the ice in the mug. Measure 0.75 ounces of fresh lime juice. Pour the 0.75 ounces of lime juice into the mug. Measure half an ounce of simple syrup. Add the half ounce of simple syrup to the mug. Open the ginger beer and measure 4 ounces. Top the mug with the 4 ounces of ginger beer. Stir gently with a bar spoon for 10 seconds to combine without losing the bubbles. Lightly slap 1 mint sprig between your palms to release its aroma. Garnish the mug with the 1 mint sprig and place 1 lime wheel on the rim. Give the drink a final quick stir and present it cold. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Italian mule, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more quick cocktails.